Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the watch is on and unlocked, then make sure Bluetooth is active on your iPhone. Open the watch app and go straight to My Watch. This is where pairing and device details live. Once done, scroll upward until you find the paired watch name. Tap it. Doing this puts you into the device view, which gives access to settings that reveal identification options. Make sure to move at a steady pace to avoid the app timing out. Now tap the small info icon, that lowercase I next to your watch name. This exposes pairing options. You will see the pairing screen, which includes a QR code displayed when the watch is in pairing mode. If you don't see the code on the phone, force the watch into pairing by choosing Unpair, then Confirm. The watch will reboot and show a pairing animation and QR on its screen. This QR is what you scan with your iPhone camera during setup. Finish by using the watch app's camera view to scan the QR code on the watch screen. Align it, hold steady, and wait for confirmation. Once the code registers, follow the on-screen prompts to restore settings or set up as new, and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth remain active. If the QR never appears, restart the watch and the iPhone, then try Unpair and re-enter pairing mode again. This usually forces the QR to display and resolves most hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.